We are profiling this very nice company today thanks to our friends at StockNetwork, StockNetwork.com. Our friend Clark Kent has referred this company to us. Southern Hemisphere Mining Limited, folks, trades on the Toronto Venture under SH, SH.V, if you will, and their website, shmining.com.au. You see the company does emanate, also trades on the Australian Securities Exchange, as well as the Toronto Venture Exchange, and the headquarters of this company is, the headquarters in North America is Vancouver, British Columbia. We have Trevor Tennant joining us on our live line. He is the president and CEO. And Trevor, welcome to the program.
Thanks very much, Dave.
Now, we find you in Chile today?
You do indeed.
Well, there's a lot of good stuff happening down there. Now, your targets are a porphyry deposit of both copper and gold. It presents itself in Chile kind of mixed together, doesn't it?
Well, actually, to give you some background, Steve, we initially listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange, the Venture Exchange, in 2007. And obviously went through some difficult times with the global financial difficulties. And we actually started drilling out a manganese project in 2010 and really have finished that and have got a JORC-compliant resource. But in the meantime, we've got quite significant copper-gold assets, and we've been focusing our exploration works on that and have been having quite interesting success in that area at the moment.
Well, that's great. They've got capital to move forward with. The $20 million share placement was completed this February to underpin the feasibility study and the ongoing copper and gold exploration drilling in Chile. Is the drilling underway now, Trevor?
It is indeed. It is indeed. So far for the 6 months, we've drilled over 10,000 meters in the copper-gold areas. And we're drilling two projects which are returning interesting results. One is called the Yawin project, which is 250 kilometers north of Santiago. It's between Santiago and La Serena. And we're drilling a typical copper-gold porphyry there. We've reported on the 18th of July results from the first 3.5 holes, and those holes were all in mineralized copper and also some anomalous gold grades.
Right.
So at the moment, we've drilled a further, we're drilling hole number 16 as we speak, and we'll be announcing the results from more analysis results on the 18th of August.
When we hear about Chile, we think about drilling at altitude. Are you very far up? Is your discovery very far up in the air?
Well, we've got two discoveries. One is Yawin, which I've just mentioned, which is not. That's only about 1,300 meters above sea level.
Okay.
The other one, which is really on the Western Fault, which is the richest metallogenic copper zone in the world, which includes the Escondida and Chiquicamata and other mines. On that project, which we call Chitigua, we're at 4,000 meters. And
wow, that's pretty high up. Yeah, 4,000 meters is you can't breathe too well there. Well, that's great to meet you, Trevor. It sounds very exciting here. Now, are you working towards a 43-101 report?
We're looking at now with the Yawin project to move towards just straight resource drilling. That's what we're doing at the moment. Basically, we've got a 50-meter grid over the property, and we're drilling away. I'd expect a scoping study to be in process or towards completion by the end of the calendar year.
Good.
On that project.
Yeah.
We're also getting some interesting results on our Chitigua project, which is potentially a very, very large porphyry. And we're also doing an IP survey there to help us in targeting drill holes. So that would be still some distance away from JORC-compliant resources and scoping studies.
All right, there you go. Now, folks, you want to go to their website, which is shmining.com.au. That's a good place to go to learn all about Southern Hemisphere Mining Limited, trades in Australia and also on the Toronto Venture. Go to shmining.com.au. The assets are in Chile. The target are copper and gold. Now, you may notice that both of these resources are up in price, and that's a good thing. That actually helps these companies move along smartly. SH.V, folks. That is the ticker symbol on the Toronto Venture. SH Sam Harry .Victor. Look it up. Our special guest, Trevor Tennant, President and CEO, joining us from South America, from the country of Chile. Trevor, great meeting you on the radio. Thanks so much.
Okay, thanks, Steve.
All right, take care, and we'll be right back.